In this video, you will learn how to connect your Roblox account to Discord. Open the Discord app or website, launch Discord on your device and open it in the web browser, then log into your account. Go to the user settings, click on the gear icon next to the username in the bottom left corner to open your user settings. Navigate to the Connections tab. In the left sidebar, click Connections to view available platforms where you can link to Discord. Use a verification bot for Roblox servers. If you're joining a Roblox related Discord server, the server may use bots like Bloxlink or Rovers. Follow the bot's prompts to verify your Roblox account. Log into your Roblox account. When prompted by the verification bot or link, sign into your Roblox account, then authorize the connection between your Roblox and Discord account. Complete verification and confirm link. Once the verification is successful, your Roblox account will be linked to your Discord profile by granting access to verified channels and showing your Roblox username in Discord servers. Now you know. Now you know how to connect your Roblox account to Discord. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.